Google makes 2.5 billion searches per day.
Hamburgers are not named after ham, the pork product. They're named after Hamburg, Germany.
Worldwide, lakes hold 20 times more fresh water than all the rivers.
Did you know that it's the daddy seahorse that gets pregnant?
Charlie Chaplin entered a Charlie Chaplin look-alike contest in Monte Carlo and came in third.
Fired from a newspaper for lacking imagination and having no original ideas.
One out of 3 meals eaten by humans is made possible by honeybees.
Hinduism is the third largest religion in the world.